Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell items in Virtual Families 3. First, navigate to your family's home screen. From there, tap the menu button, usually found in the bottom right corner. Then, select Inventory to view all the items your family currently owns. This is where you'll manage everything from furniture to collectibles. We'll focus on items you no longer need. Once in your inventory, you'll see a list of all your possessions. Scroll through and tap on any item you wish to inspect. A pop-up window will appear, displaying details like the item's name, description, and its current selling price. Take a moment to review this information. Not all items sell for the same amount, so choose wisely to maximize your earnings. After reviewing an item's details, if you decide to sell it, simply tap the Sell button. This button is typically located at the bottom of the item's detail window. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to sell. Confirm your decision, and the item will be removed from your inventory. Your family's coin balance will instantly increase by the item's selling price. To optimize your selling strategy, consider selling duplicate items or those that no longer fit your family's style. High-value collectibles and rare finds often yield significant coin amounts. Regularly check your inventory for items you've outgrown or acquired through events. This consistent approach ensures a steady flow of coins, helping your family thrive in Virtual Families 3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.